Happy New Year. What's up, guys? It's Alex Clark, the Clark Group, Keller Williams Realty, Portland Premier. And if you've been thinking about selling a house in Lake Oswego or buying a house in Lake Oswego, you're going to want to stay tuned and watch as I discuss the Lake Oswego market in detail and what's happening. And it's a short video, so check it out. Hey guys, what's up? It's Alex Clark, the Clark Group, Keller Williams Realty, Portland Premier. Excited to share with you a little bit about what's happening in the Lake Oswego market. And let's just get started. This is the Market Action Index report, which essentially quantifies how hot or cold of a market it is. Anything with the number above 30 is considered a seller's market. Anything with the number below 30 is considered a buyer's market. Pretty straightforward. January 2021, we started around, let's say 50. 2021 was a pretty incredible year. We saw some unbelievable things, which I'll talk about in a minute. But then it started to cool off a little bit, and that is seasonality at its best. This year, we're starting with Market Action Index of about 61. So we're starting at a stronger market than where we did in 2021, and 2021 was an exceptional year. Median list price. Not a lot to talk about here for Lake Oswego, except we saw some pretty good gains in 2021. We had a dip in spring, and then the gains came right back into fall. And what in the world is going on at the end of this graph here? New construction is the infill stuff that's happening, and the few lots that are able to be found in Lake Oswego. New construction average sales price is now like $2 million in Lake Oswego. It's incredible. There's not a lot to say there other than it's the price point in Lake Oswego, and what's happened to it is pretty unbelievable. Average days on market in Lake Oswego, nothing really new to report. It's not taking long to sell homes in Lake Oswego, and we're starting 2022 off at a lower point than we've been at the start of any previous year. Price per square foot, not surprising. It's higher in January 2022 than it was in January 2021, and by a considerable amount too. In January 2021, we were starting at about $349 a square foot. And in January 2022, we're going to be at about $443 a square foot. So significant price increases in equity for the homeowners who are already in Lake Oswego. And if you've been considering buying in Lake Oswego, that equity's been missed. Now, don't wait. We have rates that are going to be increasing in 2022, assuming they're not substantial rate increases. So from like 3 to 6%. But minor rate increases, so maybe 3 to 4%, something like that, you're going to miss out on equity there as well. So if you have the means to get into the market, you want to do it before the rates go up, obviously, but you want to do it as soon as you can. Otherwise, you're missing out on that appreciation. Properties with a price decrease. A lot of people are surprised when I talk about this. There are houses that aren't selling. In order to sell, they have to incur a price reduction. And that's happening now in a balanced market. About 30% of the homes that are on the market at any given time have incurred a price reduction of some sort. And in this market, it's really not been any different. And the 90-day average as of December was about 35% of the homes that were on the market had incurred price reductions. Surprising, but the buyers today know what they want, and they're really well educated. And if a home's overpriced, buyers just aren't going to look at it, quite honestly. So inventory levels, this is really the continued story of this crazy bull market is there's no homes for sale. There just aren't, and there's no inventory. For all of Portland Metro, we're at 0.8 months. And that means that if we stopped allowing any houses to come on the market today, it would take less than 1 month to sell every home in the Portland metro area before we ran out of houses. In Lake oswego, the average number of homes that were on the market at the end of December was 57 for all of Lake Oswego. That's all price points. Keep in mind, there's some pretty expensive stuff out there on the market right now. Anyway, so that is the quick snapshot of what in the world is happening with real estate in Lake Oswego. Significant price gains in 2021. Again, an inventory shortage in 2021. We expect that to continue for actually several years, not just 2022. We're going to have an inventory problem for 4, 5, 6 years, is my guess. The new construction, the prices are sky high as far as new construction goes. And that's what's happening in the market. Expect interest rate increases. If you guys have been thinking about buying, you want to do it before the rates go up. So anyway, call or email with any questions. We're happy to be of service however possible. And we appreciate you tuning in. Thanks, guys. Happy New Year. Bye.